Okay, so the volcano I picked was the Laki volcano in Iceland. So Laki is right about here. Thingvellir Park is right around here, and so that means that the North American and the Eurasian plate should be about here and here. They connect right around here. I'm pretty sure. I'm fairly certain, at least. So my volcano is a shield volcano. So this is what it looks like right now, and here is where the chain of volcanoes is. It is part of a chain of volcanoes. I believe that they go from like this is Laki here, and then it goes southward. So since it is a shield volcano, it's not an explosive or it's efflusive, and that means that it's mostly basalt when it erupts. So it's mostly going to be lava coming out of it, pretty much. And as it goes down, it creates the shape of the volcano. So this is an inside look of what it looks like inside of Laki, or what it would probably look like inside of Laki. So it is again part of is on the plate boundary for the Eurasian and North American plate. So there would probably be there is a crater when you look at Thingvellir. It's very clear and you can see it very well. The lava flows make the distinctive cone shape, and it looks fairly even and all the way across. There is likely no longer a magma chamber underneath Laki because, or at least not an active magma chamber because it is a dormant volcano, so it's no longer active. So the last eruption of Laki was on February 7th of 1784. So the reason why we're pretty certain of that date is because there was a lot of evidence of the eruption, just all around in the area, and like the trees and lumber. It was active in that time. And it has erupted within the last 1,000 years, of course, because of the date. And it was pretty active in the past, but currently is dormant. Around the time of the last eruption, areas around there had crop failure. There was records of things that were possibly acid rain related, and there was a decrease in temperature, which was also believed to affect the tree growth and the amount of trees that were growing in the area. That is my references.